My Agent Station is a marketing and productivity tool designed to help agents quickly connect with their Keller Home Loans loan officer. To get started with My Agent Station, visit myagentstation.com and use your Keller Williams single sign-on credentials. You can also access My Agent Station from kwlens.com and click on Agent Login in the upper right-hand corner. From your account settings, which can be found by clicking on your name in the upper right-hand corner, you can manage your primary and secondary loan officers. You can narrow your search by licensed state or state where your loan officer resides. You can also search for Spanish-speaking loan officers in your area. On the home page, you'll find an overview of your current and past deals, providing a quick snapshot of your progress from applications started to closed deals. If you want to refer to a client, simply select the state they'll be applying in, enter their name, email, and cell phone number, and click Send. You can even customize your referral message by clicking the Send button, which opens a custom message box. If you haven't selected a loan officer yet, you can easily do so by clicking Select a Loan Officer. Here you can view the licensed loan officers in each state and click View Bio to learn more about each one. When you find your preferred loan officer, click Add. Next, let's explore the additional features available to you. By clicking on the My Links button, you'll discover your personalized link, which you can share with borrowers. Additionally, you can download a custom QR code that allows your clients to start the pre-approval process. These unique identifiers are tied to both you and your primary loan officer, if you have selected one. If you want to manage your profile, click on the picture in the top right corner. From there, you can edit your email and access your default client messages by clicking on Messages. To control your email and text notifications, click on Notifications. You also have the option to add additional email addresses and phone numbers to receive updates on your deals. For more options, under Marketing, you can view and download flyers, social media graphics, and access our guidelines to help you promote your business effectively. If you're interested in expanding your knowledge, click on Education to watch informative videos and learn how to leverage Keller Home Loans as a powerful tool for your business. If you have any questions, FAQ provides answers to commonly asked questions and serves as a quick resource for accessing information. To read what agents and clients are saying about Keller Home Loans, click on Testimonials. And remember, if you need any assistance, you can always click Support to contact us directly. That concludes our tour of My Agent Station. Thank you for joining us, and we're here to support you every step of the way.